Hello, welcome to Noor Digital Classes. Today I am here with a very good and nice speech on Independence Day. Here is the speech. Respected principal sir, teachers, honorable guests, and dear friends. Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. Dear friends, we are gathered here today to celebrate 78th Independence Day of our country, and I feel grateful and honored to give a speech on this important occasion. Dear audience, on 15 August 1947, India got freedom after many years of struggle, sacrifices, and courage, and India became free from British rule. Dear friends, we remember the brave heroes like Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others who fought selflessly for our country. Because of them, we live in a free and democratic nation today. Dear audience, independence is not just about freedom from British rule. It also means freedom to live with dignity, to speak freely, and to dream big. But with freedom comes there are so many responsibilities. As students, our duty is to study well, respect others, and make India proud through our good actions. Dear friends, let us promise today to love our country, to stay united, and to always stand for truth and justice. For this beautiful country, India, about India, Dr. Iqbal says, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. Thank you so much for listening to me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Dear friends, this was a very nice and best English speech on Independence Day. You can speak about Independence Day in your school and other programs also. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be helpful for you to celebrate Independence Day in 2025. Thank you so much.